Hey guys, welcome back to the next vlog. It's such a warm day out, I'm just gonna say. So my dad took his truck to work, as you can see. Sometimes he takes the car, but today he took his truck. So I've done a lot today, I really have. It's about 12:40 p.m. now. And so I went out earlier this morning, outside with my brother. And my car had a lot of brake dust on its rims. So we wanted to help me clean it off, so we got some rags and we cleaned the rims. Not much more we can do, because we can't really use the hose this season. The water's not even turned on. It's kind of cold for that. And then, my car wasn't so bad, but we vacuumed out the interior. Then we did it to the van, which she needs it a lot more. And it looks really, really good now. Very happy with it. Yeah, then we went to my grandmother's beauty shop, which is right next to her house. Actually, that's her car. We went to visit her for a while, and now I'm here. It's such a warm day. I can wear shorts today because of how warm it is. It's so nice out. Yeah, I just wish I could drive the car, but I'm not insured on it yet. So once I am, which will be soon, I can take it out. Today would be a really nice day to do that though, because it's so nice and warm, could have the windows down, wouldn't need the heat on. It'd just be a really nice day for a drive, but there'll be plenty more days like this to come. It's only March, and honestly it's warm up quicker than I thought it would. It's very, very warm season. I think we're done with snow for the season. We had a few storms very early in December, which was unusual. We thought this is going to be a bad season, but nope. Kind of slowed down. By January, we kind of had our last one. That's it. No more snow. It's good. Yesterday, me and my dad replaced the blower motor resistor in the van. It was actually a kind of a pain to get off, and then yeah, you have to take out the battery to get to it, but once we got it off, put it back on, it was all good, everything's in. So now the fan speeds in the front all work. It used to only work on high, but now everything works, which is great. And yeah, it only solves the front. The rear has an issue with just no air coming out of the vents at all, but it comes out of the floor. That's a blend door actuator in the back. The back is actually a totally different system than from the front, because it's got its own blower motor back there and its own stuff, and then the front, it's got one all like under there where the battery is under the hood. It's all different. Two different systems. See you guys later. So he's gonna be driving.
Wait, you turn it off, so you just press this one off, right?
Yeah.
Can you still play music?
I don't know. But nothing's actually happening right now. Like, the battery's not doing anything.
Put them both down, right?
Yep. Oh, our tree has a lot of leaves on it. That means we're doing good braking.
Oh, I don't know what you were talking about.
It's not even pushed back all the way, but...
Car?
Imagine if it was like a self-driving car. I'd be scared. And we were sitting back here.
Yeah.
I wouldn't like that. Wait. Oh, this is it. This is all they do.
What do you mean?
They don't go anymore.
Jeez, that's high. I mean, that's... Yeah, that's pretty high. We would go down a little lower.
Oh well.
There's like nowhere... I heard there's nowhere to put your phone when it's charging.
Cup holder, I guess.
Plug it in there. They don't fit very well.
Should I push it back?
Why?
We're all set doing this.
Nobody's gonna come.
No, I know. I will see.
Well, this
I want to turn up the engine again. The real engine.
Oh, wait, what?
It turns on.
I did something. I just kind of spam it. Oh no.
Yeah, we can still
I'll
have
connect
music.
to my phone.
We can sometimes
ahead
when
close
we're
to
actually
40 on
driving.
Saturday,
No, it
then
happens
near
if I connect
50
it.
on
Right now.
Sunday.
If you have music and stuff, you can play it, or if someone calls you, but that's it. Can you lower that?
There's no lights on. Misk. I don't know what that is. What will it be called? What do you think?
Just click on that.
I don't want to connect to something, then all my stuff's getting like sent to it.
Is it getting sent to it? Is that what it does?
Probably. I'm just gonna click it.
Let's sit in the front. I don't know why we're sitting.
Missed pairing.
I don't know why we're sitting with like a bunch of babies.
Connecting phone. Wait, does that
Wasn't
mean...
it always saying that? Let's go.
I feel like it's to connect our phone. What's that?
The door.
Back the car up. They're just gonna be looking at us from the window.
Here, take that. Can you take that for a second?
We should play some tunes like really loud, guys.
Are you still?
Mm-hmm. Put it in gas mode.
Doesn't sound like a normal engine.
Push the gas down. Guys, this thing doesn't rev.
I should have known.
Maybe it does, but we're not doing this thing right. You gotta think about that. Okay, put it in reverse. Just put it in reverse, guys. Okay, I'm your driving instructor. Look, it says connect to phone now.
Oh,
So it probably was connected to my phone. Okay, let's be stupid.
I hope I'm good. Am I good?
Yeah, you're fine. Oh. Okay. All these vultures. How many are there? 7?